What's going on, everyone? It's Tafari here, back with another video, and I'm going to be talking about why you, specifically you, if you're an MCA, may be struggling to get sales in this business. So I'm going to talk about a few ways. This is one of the main ones. One of the main reasons why you may be struggling is because you're doing a lot of advertising and not enough and not marketing, and that's not your fault because you weren't your sponsor. Wait your sponsor, the training you received from your sponsor just wasn't adequate enough. But that's actually your fault for not researching who you're joining and learning about who you're joining and connecting with the proper person. But look, remember, when you're joining MCA, you're joining the person you join under. Or unless you join under MCA by yourself with no sponsor, no help at all, that's on you. Now, I'm not saying, your sponsor's fault for everything because, at the end of the day, you see this isn't working for you, go out and find something else, find something to help improve you, you know? So that's just one of the reasons, is because you just weren't taught to market the right way. Now, here's an example of advertising that a lot of people are doing. Oh, you're on Facebook, your Facebook page, MCA this, MCA this, MCA that, MCA this, MCA that. If someone wants to join MCA, they're not going to, you think you're going to sell them? What they're going to do, they're going to go type in MCA, and then they're going to look at a video like this one, and then they're going to join the person who explains MCA the way they want it to be explained, or who they connect with the best. People don't join compensation plans and services. People join people. As crazy as this may sound, or confusing that may sound, you got to understand, people really at this point don't even think MCA is a scam. They're just wondering if you can get them the results that they want. It's that plain and simple. It's 2018. MCA been around way too long. It's not them. It's you. You need to, until you fix, first you have to fix this you thing so you can help other people. Here's another reason why you may not be getting sales. You're too busy focused on, the concept, whether you're selling the benefits or whether you're just trying to get people to work with you. You're too focused on the concept that, how much money you're going to get this week, how many sales can you get this week, when you really should be focused on how many people can you help provide this service, how many people can you help make more money or change their situation. That's the problem with a lot of people in this industry. They're too selfish. They're just greedy for their people's money. And it's not your fault. You just weren't taught to market the proper way. And you just weren't taught how to market, build community, and help people. You just didn't join the right person. That's when it does become your fault for your decision making in the long run. Now, how can you fix that? You go out there, you find a better training, you learn some more things about marketing. You don't fall for the flashy lifestyle, because here's a secret about those people with the flashy lifestyles. They have multiple streams of income. So when MCA is at its top for them, they have another stream that's helping them on the back end when, things aren't, going on, like going swell for them. $2,000 a week isn't gonna, get you a Lamborghini, multiple Lamborghinis. You guys have to understand this. These people with lifestyles, they have multiple streams of income. So if I was to ever promote a lifestyle, I have multiple streams of income. And the form of lifestyle that they use is to get people to connect with them, to make them feel like they can help them. And some of these people can help, some of them do help, but they don't give everything, and it's not their job to give you everything that they're doing. But at the same time, they should be able to put you in a position where you're satisfied and you're successful, and that's pretty agreeable in my opinion. So I went over 2 reasons. You don't know how to market. You have MCA all over your Facebook page. You should be promoting it. People should not know what you're doing whenever they go to your Facebook page. People should be like, what does this guy do? I have to go to him for information. And then from there, you're supposed to end their search and close them out from there. And maybe you'll have to follow up a few times. And that's another reason. You aren't following up. You're talking to somebody one time when, people are very indecisive. They're not going to make their decision on the initial time. They're going to watch you for about months, and they're going to be like, hey, I'm ready to join. But, sometimes they forget because of the fact that you're not following up with them. Now, your method you choose to follow up with them can be in many ways. You can manually do it. You can automatically do it. That comes down to you. It's all about the tools you use in order to follow up with them. But a lot of people think that, you talk to somebody one time and they're just going to do it. There's a lot of people, they lose focus really fast. And I do it myself as well. I can lose focus here and there on many things. And, you know, maybe if someone follows up with me, then I'm like, oh yeah, I have to check out that webinar. I have to check out his opportunity. I have to go check out his website. Things like that. And, that makes them feel like, you're not going to ditch them. When you follow up with someone, it makes it seem like you're not going to ditch them. And all the skepticism, it's not the company anymore. It's literally, MCA hasn't missed a single payment. At this point, it's just people wondering, is this the right person for me? Like, you're too busy trying to promote MCA when you should be trying to promote your own brand, your own person. People should be trying to join you. Like, your name's Michael, people should be trying to join Michael. People shouldn't be trying to join MCA. I want to work with Michael. I don't want to work with MCA. Because, here's what it sounds like when you're about to work with MCA. You're about to go work for another company. You're just like you're getting a job. When you should really treat it as an opportunity, which is kind of like a job, but, opportunities are more, it has more open feel, more freedom feel for you to change your situation. So think about those 3 reasons. Are you following up? Are you marketing? Are you advertising MCA? Are you marketing people to ask you for information? If you have MCA all over your page, delete all that right now. You need to just do that and just post where you can trigger curiosity. Are you following up with them? Are you following up with them? Hey, what's up, John? I never got a response from you. What's going on? Things like that. Or you can send out emails. In my training, I have a bunch of email scripts and I have a bunch of ways to market, your MCA business or your income stream with MCA. And here's another thing. I was speaking about how you need to change your mindset from how many sales you can get to how many people you can help. Stop thinking about, trying to make money off of a sale and think about who can actually use this membership and how they can benefit from it. Think about that more. Don't think, oh, I'm going to sell him it even if he doesn't need it. Like, if he doesn't need it, don't sell it to him. If he doesn't drive a car, everyone needs this Motor Club America membership. But, there's just people who really need it and people who could use it sometime in the future, And it's just, you're not going to get a sale like every time. So don't think like when you fail at something also, it's a scam or something like that, because sales is not an easy business. And, it's simple when you put certain tools in place and you're doing certain things. But, the complications that go into the mind, the complications that go in behind the psychology and, motivation into getting people to invest in you or purchase a membership or invest in themselves. There's a lot that goes into that. But, it's all about your system. So remember this. Make sure you're following up. Stop advertising MCA and start promoting it as yourself, your own business. Feel like, stop doing that. And what was the third one? Stop thinking about the money and think about the number of people you can help. It's a helping business. Marketing is like a win-win situation. You win, I win. That's how I see it. Network marketing, especially. So think about it like that, and things are going to change for you. All right. So that's all I wanted to talk about today. See you guys in the next video. I'm always posting every single day. Peace.